At the time of making this video on Phantasma price predictions 2023, Sol traded at $0.22 with a 24-hour USD volume of $59,931.00. The price of Sol has decreased by minus 4.42% in the last 24 hours. Currently, Phantasma Sol holds the rank 527 on Tech News Leader Price Index with a market capitalization of $23,640,001. In this video, we will discuss latest Phantasma Sol price prediction for 2023 and cover many queries raised by crypto investors like how high can Phantasma go in 2023. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, let's discuss what is Phantasma Sol. The Phantasma blockchain, with its native Sol coin built from the ground up with decentralized video gaming and NFT trading as points of focus, claims to deliver high throughput and low transaction fees, with what its founders, who include Portuguese smart contract expert Sergio Flores, say are innovative cross-chain smart NFT capabilities. Through a partnership with the Melbourne, Australia-based games developer Godi Entertainment and its Pavilion Gaming Hub, Phantasma has released a suite of gaming and DeFi applications since the blockchain went live in October 2019. Additional features, which include a two-token economic model and sidechain architecture, bring what Phantasma says will be enhanced scalability. Now let's see the Phantasma consensus mechanism. Phantasma Sol keeps tight control over its network of proof-of-stake block producers, BPs. At the time of the mainnet launch in 2019, 10 active BP and 15 standby BP, making for 25 total validators, were preselected, with the total number increasing at a rate of 3 a year. The number of active BP is proportional to the total. Through on-chain governance, Sol holders vote on which validators get to be active every quarter. Active BP are required to be continuously active. After 1 hour of inactivity, the next most popular standby BP is promoted. The minimum staking requirement to become a BP, either active or standby, is 50,000 Sol. BP rewards are derived from the daily inflation of Sol, with 75% going to active BP and 25% going to standby BP. Active BP also receive a minimum 25% of all transaction fees for the blocks that they validate. BP serve one other major function in the Phantasma ecosystem: decentralized storage. Any user may stake Sol to get decentralized storage in return at a rate of 40 kilobytes per Sol. While this can provide developers with some added on-chain functionality given its rudimentary nature, a more sophisticated platform like storage might be a better option at this point. So let's discuss more Sol tokenomics. The Sol coin runs on an inflationary model pegged at 3% per year. Of that 3%, 1% is allocated to Phantom Force, the community of developers dedicated to creating and launching dApps on the Phantasma cryptocurrency chain. Another 1% is reserved for the all-important BP rewards, allocated to nodes helping to keep the chain secure. The last 1% is reserved for ecosystem incentives. In addition to the 3% inflationary coins, 125,000 Sol are minted each month for the distribution of staking rewards to those staking more than 50,000 Sol in a single wallet. There are 103,158,489 Sol in circulation. Being inflationary, there is no maximum supply. Currently trading at $3.56, the market capitalization of Sol is slightly over $357, 264 million pounds, ranking at number 166 on the crypto charts. In terms of trading volume, a recent 24-hour high of $14.83 million amounted to 0.04% of market cap. Now finally, what you were waiting for. Phantasma Sol price forecast for 2023 month by month. Phantasma Sol price forecast January 2023. In January, the Phantasma price would climb to an average of $0.25 with a minimum trading price of $0.23 and a maximum price value of $0.26. Phantasma Sol price prediction February 2023. According to Phantasma Sol predictions, Phantasma price might rise massively in a few years. It should have a clear road to a minimum price of $0.25 to a maximum price of $0.27. We expect to see Phantasma at an average price value of $0.26 for February 2023. Sold to USD price forecast March 2023. For March 2023, expected predictions for Phantasma vary from the minimum price level of $0.26 to a maximum price level of $0.28 depending on the different factors, but the $0.27 price level is more possible. Phantasma. Sol price prediction April 2023. According to Phantasma Sol predictions, Phantasma price might rise massively in a few years. It should have a clear road to a minimum price of $0.27 to a maximum price of $0.29. We expect to see Phantasma at an average price value of $0.28 for April 2023. Sold to USD price forecast May 2023. For May 2023, expected predictions for Phantasma vary from the minimum price level of $0.28 to a maximum price level of $0.31 depending on the different factors, but the $0.29 price level is more possible. Sol price forecast June 2023. For June 2023, Sol price predictions range from $0.29 low to $0.32 high, with $0.30 as the average trading price. Phantasma. Sol price forecast July 2023. In July, the Phantasma price would climb to an average of $0.31 with a minimum trading price of $0.30 and a maximum price value of $0.33. Phantasma Sol price forecast August 2023. In August, the Phantasma price would climb to an average of $0.32 with a minimum trading price of $0.31 and a maximum price value of $0.34. Phantasma Sol price prediction September 2023. According to Phantasma Sol predictions, Phantasma price might rise massively in a few years. It should have a clear road to a minimum price of $0.32 to a maximum price of $0.36. We expect to see Phantasma at an average price value of $0.33 for September 2023. Phantasma Sol price forecast October 2023. In October, the Phantasma price would climb to an average of $0.34 with a minimum trading price of $0.33 and a maximum price value of $0.37. Phantasma Sol price forecast November 2023. In November, the Phantasma price would climb to an average of $0.36 with a minimum trading price of $0.34 and a maximum price value of $0.39. Phantasma Sol price prediction December 2023. According to Phantasma Sol predictions, Phantasma price might rise massively in a few years. It should have a clear road to a minimum price of $0.35 to a maximum price of $0.40. We expect to see Phantasma at an average price value of $0.37 for December 2023. Since its launch, Phantasma has revolutionized several sectors. Many regulators have approved the coin, and a team of specialist developers is working hard to promote it and increase acceptance. This guide is a self-assessment of how well Sol has done in the past and the odds of it doing well in the future. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.